Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this lesson, we will learn about AWS Bedrock Guardrails, a powerful feature that helps you build a safe, responsible, and controlled generative AI application. Foundation models are powerful, but without controls, they can generate harmful, unsafe, or unwanted content. Guardrails helps enforce rules like content safety, topic restrictions, and data protections without modifying the model itself. AWS Bedrock Guardrails are policy based safety controls that sit between your application and the foundation model. They validate both user input and model output before responses are returned. With Guardrail, you can block harmful or unsafe content, filter sensitive topics, prevent prompt injection, mask personal data like email, phone number, name, etc. Enforce responsible AI policies. This is a simple architecture of guardrails. Guardrail act as a safety layer before and after the model invocation, ensuring compliance at every step. There are different types of guardrail policies: content moderation, denied topics, prompt attack prevention, personally identified information filter, customer safety policies. These are the few policies which are present in AWS Bedrock Guardrails. Prompt engineering guides the model. Guardrails enforce the rules. Both should be used together for production grade AI system. There are three main ways to create and manage guardrails in AWS Bedrock. First is the AWS Management Console, which is the most common. Second one is the AWS CLI. Through running the code in AWS CLI, some command, we can create the and update the guardrails. Also, we can delete it. And third is infrastructure as a code. So through cloud formation or CDK or through Terraform or through Python code, we can create these guardrails in AWS Bedrock. In this video, we will create guardrail using the AWS Management Console. Let's get started. First, log into the AWS Management Console using your credentials. Now, in search bar, type Bedrock. Now, click on the Bedrock. It will take you straight to the Bedrock dashboard. Now, in Build section, you can see the guardrails. Click on the guardrails. Then click on Create Guardrails to get started. In step 1, let's add your guardrail details, name, and description. Description is optional. Feel free to skip the description if you don't like. It's totally up to you. In the messaging, the block prompt section, you can add a custom response that's shown whenever a user prompt content blocked. Everything else here is optional, so it's totally up to you whether to fill them in or not. Now click on next. You are in step 2. Let's set up your content filters. The harmful categories filter block content like violence, hate, or sexual material that violate your AI policies. Just select content filters, configure harmful categories with your sensitive threshold, and add a custom block messages. When something triggered, Bedrock shows your message instead. Next, the prompt attack filter catch jailbreaks, injections, and sneaky attempts to bypass safety. Enable it in the same spot. Tune the sensitivity, and it scan incoming prompt, block bad one before they hit the model. So one thing I want to add here: start strict on threshold, then ease up based on the feedback, and layer it with a solid system prompt for extra protection. In step 3, you can optionally add denied topics. After setting up your harmful categories and prompt attack filters, this let you block specific subjects you don't want your app to touch even if they are not covered under harmful categories. Now click on next. Step 4, word filters. Add one or more words of phrase you want to block it. John in this example. Choose if it is applied to prompt, response, or both. Then write a clear block messages explaining why. If your input prompt contains that word, it will get blocked right away. Now click on Next. Step 5. The Sensitive Information tab. This helps protect confidential data like personal identifiers, financial details, or health terms. Once set up, Guardrail scan inputs and outputs. If it spots something like the email ID as PII, it masks it automatically. Choose whatever fits your needs. Then click on Next. Step 6. Define your trust source like company policies, compliance manual, or product documents that the model should stick to. Enable grounds rules so Guard will check if answer trace back to that context. If not, it can block reroutes or flag them. I will keep that as it is. Now click on Next. Step 7. Add the augmented reason check. This validate your AI output for logical consistency and sound reasoning, catching circular logic, or unsupported conclusion before they reach users. Now for this demo, I will keep that as it is. Now click on Next. In step 8, you can just remove all the configuration, all the changes you have made, and then click on Submit. Now we have successfully created the guardrails. By default, it create draft version. You can modify that and create any version you want. In the next video, we will see how to use these guardrails in Invoke and Converse API. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you have any question.